Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who likes to keep their computer running smoothly and avoid unnecessary background apps, then you've probably noticed that Yandex Browser tends to keep running even after you close it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Yandex Browser from running in the background, which will help you free up system resources and improve your computer's performance. Let's dive right in. To stop Yandex Browser from running in the background, follow these simple steps. First, open Yandex Browser and click on the menu icon in the down right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the System section. Here, uncheck the option that says Show Yandex Browser icon in the tray and allow it to run in the background. This will stop Yandex Browser from running after you close it, helping to free up your system resources. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Yandex Browser from running in the background. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.